Hello guys, so I have received this product for the Tesla Model Y. This is the front trunk Hepa filters. This is specifically designed for the Tesla Model Y from 2020 to 2025. Okay, so you can go ahead and just replace these filters that go in your front. They're actually a perfect match for your Tesla, maintaining the airflow inside your Tesla. These are recommended to be replaced approximately every 3 years. Okay, and that way you can maintain an optimal air performance into the car. This is one of the filters. Okay, this is how it looks, just exactly matching the one in your Tesla. This is the carbon activated filter right here. This filter has a dual layer filtration system. It has a HEPA filter, then it has the honeycomb carbon activated side, and all this foam right here is for the air to actually only be able to go through this section right here, and they will fit properly, ensuring a better seal. Inside the box you will also have the proper installation manual, okay, and it will also include the tool so that way you can remove the existing filter and replace it with this one. This set includes all 4 filters that you're going to need for this replacement. To remove the plastic cover off of your Tesla Model Y, the tool included is a Torx T20. This is going to remove every single screw that you're going to need to remove for this installation. You're going to be able to remove all the screws around this area. Once you remove all 10 screws around, you're going to be able to lift this part up and then start replacing your filters. And then we'll remove this other filters. Once we're done installing our HEPA filters, then we're gonna proceed to install our carbon activated filters. And this is how it's supposed to fit. Flush to these edges. It's a perfect fit. Do you notice how the honeycombs go facing down and this HEPA filter facing up? Then you will proceed to put everything back how you took it off. Once you're done replacing your filters, then you can continue to keep enjoying your fresh air inside your Tesla. I hope that the information about these filters for the front area was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.